everyone, my name is CHITWAN and welcome to Stercthing. This is episode number 8 of Weekend Workouts with CHITWAN. So far in the previous 7 episodes, we have mostly covered aspects like fat loss, conditioning, toning and strengthening. Today we're going to do something which is a little different from that, which focuses more on flexibility and mobility. We're going to practice a beginner level night stretching routine which you can do before bed, which has various benefits. Whenever we go to sleep, it's natural for the mind to think about the stressors of the day rather than focusing on the positives. And when we stretch before bed, our focus goes back to our breath and to our body, which naturally relaxes the brain and helps us feel more positive from inside. If you're working out regularly, then a nice stretching routine not only helps you relax your muscles, but also you wake up the next morning with less soreness and less pain. You know, among natural sleep remedies like drinking chamomile tea, diffusing essential oils, stretching is one thing that has often been overlooked. And in today's episode, I'm going to show a very easy 10-minute routine which you can practice every night before bed.
We'll start with seated side bends. Start with a comfortable seated position. After taking a few normal breaths and bringing your awareness into the space, plant one arm down and the other overhead. Stay there, keep breathing. Coming back through the center, dropping the other arm this time. Keep going. We repeat about 15 to 18 times each side and continue breathing. Our second exercise is seated cat and cow. Reach the arms up towards the sky, interlacing all the fingers together, going into seated cats and cows, drawing the fist away from the body like this, and then reaching back up at your own pace. Repeat this about 15 to 20 times. Our third movement is forward folds. Join the feet together, grab a pillow and place it on top of your feet. Once you're ready, find a forward fold, placing one ear on top of the pillow and gazing towards the opposite side. Bring the focus back on breathing. After staying here for a few seconds, switch sides and get the other ear on the pillow. Child's pose. Make your way back up into a child's pose, drawing the knees together while the big toes are touching at the back. Keeping the pillow long, place one ear on the pillow like the previous movement. Allow your body to sink into the prop before you switch sides and continue the same on the other side. Change your position and make your way onto your back. Hug the knees into the chest. Wrap your arms around your shins and gently rock from side to side. Our last movement is the hamstring and glute stretch. Place one ankle on top of the opposite knee. Hold here to feel a deep stretch and then interlace your fingers around the top of the knee and then draw both knees close into the body. This exercise stretches the hamstrings and the hip and also releases tension in the lower back. Now we drop one knee on the side to feel more stretch and then switch sides. The opposite foot on the knee, again moving our arms from the gap and hugging our shins together. Stay there, feel the stretch. Now release to again drop the right knee on the side while you continue to feel the stretch in your legs.
The idea is to keep it gentle and simple and avoid doing anything that is super high intensity right before we go to bed. And just to put everything in a nutshell once again for you guys, we did a simple 8 to 10 minute stretching routine that we can practice just before bed that helps in insomnia, it helps in stiffness, releases muscle tension and also helps you calm your entire mind right before you go to sleep. A nice tip would be to play some calming music while you're doing this so that it adds a little bit more to the soothingness. And stretching actually is a very underrated tool for good quality sleep and I started doing it very recently. Honestly, I've not done it my entire life, but from personal experience, I did start doing it recently, and it has helped me a lot. So I hope you try this soon, and I'll see you guys next weekend in the next episode of Weekend Workouts with Chitwan. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy, and keep watching FitTuck.